Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Jeep Patriot Latitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2160P. Only 47,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. This Patriot does carry the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive lock. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And 115-volt outlet. Perfect for charging media devices. And a spacious glove box with the owner inside. Under the hood, this Patriot has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Patriot, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.